What are mortgages on the MBE? If you are preparing for the Multistate Bar Examination and wondering about mortgages, you are in the right place. Mortgages are a key topic in the real property section of the exam. They deal with how loans are secured by real estate. Understanding this topic is essential for answering related questions effectively. A mortgage is a legal agreement where a borrower, known as the mortgagor, pledges their property to a lender, called the mortgagee, as collateral for a loan. The mortgage document serves as proof of the debt and the lender's interest in the property. The mortgagor is typically the homeowner, while the mortgagee is often a bank or financial institution. When it comes to mortgages, it is important to know the rights and responsibilities of both parties. If a mortgagor sells their property, how the mortgage is treated depends on whether the new owner assumes the mortgage or takes its subject to it. If the new owner assumes the mortgage, they become responsible for the debt, along with the original mortgagor. However, if they take the property subject to the mortgage, they are not personally liable for the debt, but the mortgage remains attached to the property. If the mortgagor defaults on the loan, the mortgagee can initiate foreclosure proceedings. This process allows the lender to sell the property to recover the owed amount. The distribution of proceeds from a foreclosure sale follows a specific order. First, the costs of the sale are covered. Next, the mortgage that was foreclosed upon is paid off. After that, any junior mortgages or liens are paid based on their priority. Finally, any leftover money goes to the mortgagor. Different types of security interests related to mortgages may appear on the exam. Besides traditional mortgages, there are deeds of trust, which involve three parties: the borrower, the lender, and a trustee. Another type is a land sale contract, which is another form of securing a loan with real property. When studying for the Multistate Bar Examination, focus on the distinctions between assuming a mortgage and taking subject to it. Be sure to understand the rights of parties when property is transferred and how liens are prioritized during foreclosure. Questions may requiring you to analyze how proceeds are distributed and which parties have claims. Equitable mortgages may also be tested. In these cases, the lender holds original title documents as security and may have additional rights, like appointing a receiver or selling the property if the borrower defaults. Mastering these concepts will help you tackle real property questions on the exam with confidence.